We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Friends and family on Telegram. Families and friends will prosper. Let's pick up for business. Okay, guys, we are marking up ETH, USD, crypto. So let's take a look at what's going on in the market. So at price action, last candle in the market, if price goes up, we can clearly see that it has to clear. Price action body of that candle has to clear this wick here for it to create new highs or previous highs, or new highs when it comes to the bodies, but when it comes to wicks, it'd be previous wicks. And if price breaks this area here, we know we head up to new highs. And then if it breaks here, definitely we get the bodies, this candle to break out. We are in the new areas of highs. Price go down from price. We'll be looking at the market coming down to a low. So then if the market breaks this low here, we'll be headed down all the way back to where the market started off at. So reading the market on this time frame, what we received is the market pushed up once, came back down. Market pushed up twice. And we got to figure out what's going to go happen here. Okay, it could be doing a double top. So we could be looking for an M for it to come back down. Or the market can consolidate. So 1, 2, 3. And it can continue bouncing up and down until we get that breakout to the upside and downside. So that'll be some consolidation. Or the market could just break, retest, and go to new areas of highs. So far we do see that double top. Market pushed up once, market pushed up twice. Headed down to the weekly time frame. So let's identify the market. So near price action, we received it looked like a double top so far, and it came from a decline W. So we see that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retest. Market pushed up once. Like I said, it can consolidate sideways until we get that full breakout. If not, that becomes first push up. Market came down, pushed up a second time. That means in this area here, we can receive a doji. Market comes back to retest the area of support, turn to resistance, and the market can drop down to previous areas of lows. If not, we can receive a W in this area here. The market could just break up and then break out, create the new areas of highs. Okay. Also, overall, near price, overall, we can see that the market did what? Pushed up once, came back down, pushed up twice, came back down, pushed up a third time. Now we got to figure out what's going to go on here. We're just talking about. So far we did receive. We up to the third push. We don't know if this market is going to push up and push out, or this could be dropping down for a double top and a retest. So we'd be headed back to low. So there's a few things that can happen. Let's head down to the weekly, daily time frame. So we can clearly see what price action did. So price action did do that break and retest. So that's that double top is coming from. So overall, we still see them three pushes to the top once, twice. That's the third time. So price action is coming from some type of triple bottom. So we have a first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, and market shot up. Once, retest, shot up twice, retest, and shot up a third time. This could be cap. So we got to figure out what's going to go on here. So something's got to form here. It could be a double top, it could be an M, it could be a W, it can be a retest, the market can sell down, or it could just keep on pushing on this time frame. So we have to identify, headed down the time frame, is we got a break and retest. That means we're looking for the market to come back, to retest this area of support I just created. And if it's going to go up, it's going to go up to the next level. If not, that could be that area of that double top, and it can drop down, or it can just consolidate sideways and until we get that full breakout. So let's see what the market did on that lower time frame. Headed down to the floor 4. So we got multiple pushes down to this support area, about 1, 2, 3, and then the market pushed up once, retest, pushed up twice. So we're still looking at that double top in that area, and we can clearly see a triple bottom here. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushed up once, so it's another area retest. Twice. Could be the last time. So if the market is in that true incline, we'll see that the market is going to break and retest. So what we're looking for on this time frame is the market to come back and retest this area here. So we don't know how far the market can push up to come back down for that retest, but we do know that near price we do have I would say maybe a double top so far. I mean, this candle still has to do what it do. So we did get that first push up, came back down, second push up. So we don't know if the market going to come back down and drop down further. We don't know if it's going to consolidate or break out to the next level. So there's a few things that can happen. Let's head down the time frame. Headed down to the 3. So on the 3, we got first, second, third, fourth retest. Market pushed up once, market pushed up twice, market pushed up 3 times, and that's the 4th time. If it doesn't keep on going up, this could be a level that market could cap itself off at, and it could be dropping down. So we should be able to see some type of pattern in here. So far in the lower time frame, we probably see like a double top, maybe waiting for a retest. I'm not sure yet, but we definitely did get a push up to the top. We can see that push. So market is look like it's working its way up. So this is an area of a major area of support right here, because we see that double bottom. So we got first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market shot up once. So like I said, we're still looking for another retest in this area here for the market to go up. So what we're going to do is remove one of these lines. We're going to see if price comes back down to this area of support and it shoot up with it. But we still looking for a retest. Headed down to the 1. So something's going on here. So as a retest, probably retesting or doing some type of triple top. So market pushed up once, twice, 3 times this area here. So it's consolidating. So it's something's going on in this area. We're probably identifying a lower time frame. So now we see what 1, 2, 3, 4. Market pushed up 4 times. It's having a hard time breaking. Okay, so it could be coming down. It could be a doji form that push the market back down to the support, but it can still create that momentum to go back up. Once it start breaking price action lows in this area on this time frame, then we can look at price could be headed back down. But so far, it still has a chance to still push up after a retest or create some momentum at the area of the midpoint. Headed down to the 30. So we have multiple pushes now. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pushes to the top. This market could be doing a doji soon. And so far, it looks like it could be selling down. And we still see that uptrend. Head down to the 15. So head go to double top. So we have 1, 2, 3 quadruple bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got that quadruple bottom. Market pushed up once, came back down. Market pushed up twice. So we're looking for a retest. Near price in this section here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pushes to the top. So it really has one more chance. It has one more chance to probably get that last candle to break out. If it doesn't, then, like I said before, it can head down to an area of support. So the next area low it has to break is this. So if it breaks this area, we're looking for a break retest. Markets drop it down to the previous low of the support that we created on a higher time frame. I think it was either 1 hour to 45. So far we did get 2 pushes to the top. We have 1 here, and then these 3 right here will be the second section. So we have to wait to the area the market do what it do. And then if the market comes back down, we look for the market come at least to this point. So it could do multiple things here. It could do a double bottom. So we could get that first, second, third, fourth, and that market create that momentum breakout. Or it could just break out from here, which will be a single bottom. The market creates new lows after breakout retest. Or it can consolidate or break down to the next level. So there's a few things that can happen. There's no identification yet that the market's going to do what it do. Just still a waiting game. So let's let's head down to the 5. We can clearly see the double top. And also we got a retest in that area too. So that market could get a chance that it could create new levels of highs. Because what we see is that price pushed up once, pushed up twice, but in total it did push up more than twice. So let's take a look at this area here. So we got that's a triple top so far. So market pushed up 3 times. Overall it's a double top, but if you individualize it, it'll be 1, 2, and that's a retest, and then market came and pushed up a 3rd time. So that's 3 pushes to the top. So price action, highs will be the wick. If it breaks the resistance, it goes down. It can go down to this area of support and create some momentum. So it's still in that area where it's still bouncing. Okay. So looking at it from this angle, let's take something off. So looking at this angle, this could be the triple top right here in this section, because I didn't realize the doji. I didn't realize it's doji. So this could be market pushed up once with these 2 candles, came back down to the doji. Market pushed up twice with this blue candle. Market came back to retest, and it's the 3rd time. Now we got a retest. So there's something going on in this area here where there's some type of support. There's some type of support in this area. Let's see this. We may identify it on the 1 minute time frame, but at the same time, it still may consist of 2 to 3 pushes to the top. But market could be doing some type of trying to retest here. But if this is a major area, if this is a major support candle, this market right here could just push up and break out. So that'll be 1, 2, 3 retest, and it still has about up to 2 more chances to push. Let's see if it happens. Market pushed up once, market pushed up twice, market pushed up 3 times, retest. So it's still in that area. It still hasn't pushed up. So it's a waiting game right now. We don't know if it's gonna get that 4th push up on the 3 minute time frame. If we do, we're looking for a break and retest. But like I said, in total, we got 1 push up, 2 push ups, 3 push ups in total. So that's a triple top. So it's either gonna sell or shoot up to the next level. Also consolidate. So something's forming in this area. But you can see that it's having an issue breaking. And let's identify one more time. We have 1 push. We have 2 push. We have 3 pushes. And then if you see here, this is that major area of support that I did find, I think, on a 3 minute or 5 minute time frame, which is right here. So right now, that price action lower lows is being respected. So it's between a high and a low. And if you see it, it's sometimes something forming here. So in this area, if you think about this area, this section being a hole, if you think about this being a hole, then it'll be like market pushed up once, market pushed up twice, market pushed up 3 times, and now we got that doji. So this market doesn't, now it could be coming right back down. Now if it breaks towards that support area, We're looking for a break and retest. It drops down, but right now it's still consolidating this area right here. So far we did about 3 pushes to the top. And then if you section this area off here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 pushes to the top in that section. Retest, market selling down as we just confirmed with this candle. So market is breaking to back to the area of support from that higher time frame. So if it breaks this area here, we know we're going to be headed back to lows. So this could be that total of triple 3 pushes to the top. 1, 2, 3. Market can't break in this whole section, so market could be coming back down. Okay, guys, very important information. Please review Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images, go through the images, understand patterns in the market. We have decline wedges, we have incline wedges, we have descending wedges, ascending wedges, double tops, which is the bullish back. We have double bottoms, which is the bearish back. So there's plenty of patterns that you guys have to understand to identify in the market. Also, very important information, guys. Please understand what the breakout retest areas are when the market is breaking that area of resistance or breaking that area of support. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. ETH, USD, crypto.